Okay, so I decided to do the unsorted linked list implementation for this programming assignment. And the first thing that you'd need to do if you were using the unsorted linked list is create variables of the unsorted type for the north and south banks.
And I
I decided to use a do-while loop.
because
and in the do-while loop,
guaranteed that it will execute at least one time.
Okay, so I need to make sure to use the unsorted linked list implementation for this programming assignment. And the first thing that you need to do is create variables that for the north and south banks into the south
No, I
bank
don't want to
at the
change the
beginning of
color
each
scheme.
game. And I decided to use a do-while loop. I created a variable
because
called
it
loser
would
winner
ask
and set it
me
to
to
false.
change the
That
color scheme.
it will be executed
at
at
least
least one time.
The game
ends whenever it's
the first thing
that you need
someone
to do
in the
do-while
lost the
loop
game, or
is
if they won it.
make sure that both banks
And
are
then
empty at the
inside
start
the
of
do-while
each
loop,
game. I used a while loop.
So
where loser or winner is to add the fox, grain, and chicken to the south bank.
I decided
it prints the contents of the south bank and the north bank
that would do that for me.
And then it tells the user which
I
bank
set the
they're
variable
on,
loser or winner
and
to false.
if they're on
And
the
this
north bank, it does a
variable
special thing.
just determines
where
if the game will continue.
If the north
whether
bank has all
like
three
if you
items
lose,
on it,
it will
lets the
not
user
continue.
know that they
And if
won.
you win, it won't continue.
That's when the user wins, pretty much.
Sorry about that.
So then it asks.
Then
if
I
I
have
have
a
a while,
win,
it
it
asks
asks
the
the
farmer
farmer
what to
loop.
take.
And
while the loser or winner
if
is
they
false,
decide that
it
he shouldn't
does
take
the
following
anything.
stuff.
It says
that
it puts the
that he took
contents of the
nothing.
south
If
bank
they
and the north
decide
bank.
that he should take,
And then
you know,
it tells the
fox,
user
chicken, and grain,
it
which
puts that
side
item on the other
they
bank
are
and
on
deletes
at that
it from the
time.
current
And,
bank.
Now, a special thing happens if the
uh,
user is on the north bank.
Well, if the chicken and grain are left
If
together,
the user is on the north
person
bank, it
loses,
checks to see
and,
if
the fox and chicken
all
are left
three
together, the
items
person
are on the
loses.
north bank.
Otherwise,
If they are, then the user
that's
wins.
supposed to be loser or winner, but
That's
not
still
on the
equals
north
false,
bank,
so
then
that
doesn't
game
happen.
will continue on.
So then next,
you would have to ask the farmer,
well,
what
whenever
item
the
to
person
take.
loses or whenever they win, it asks the user if
the
they
user
would like
can
to play
enter
again.
nothing,
and while that
it just
is
lets them know
yes,
that
it continues on.
nothing was
And that's
taken.
pretty much it.
Sorry about that. It keeps doing that for some reason.
Then if the person decides that the farmer should take something with them, it puts that item on the other bank and then deletes that item from the current bank that they're on. And then it lets the user know what the farmer took across the river. So, but if the chicken and grain are left together, the user loses. And if the fox and chicken are left together, the user loses as well. If none of that happens, then loser still equals false. And that's pretty much it. It just continues doing that until the user loses or wins, and at the end of that, it asks if they would like to play again. And so, because of the do-while loop, if they answer yes, then it will continue on doing that. And if they answer no, then